Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a GearLaunch store. First, navigate to the GearLaunch website and click on Sign Up to begin your registration process. You'll need to provide some basic information to create your account. Next, choose a compelling name for your store and a corresponding URL that is easy for customers to remember. Finally, input your contact details and any other required business information to complete the initial setup phase. Once your account is active, it's time to personalize your store. Upload your brand's logo and a visually appealing banner to create a professional look. Then, configure your payment gateways. GearLaunch supports several options to ensure smooth transactions for your customers. Don't forget to carefully review and set up your shipping preferences, including costs and available regions, to avoid any surprises later on. This ensures a seamless shopping experience. Now for the fun part, creating your products. Browse GearLaunch's wide selection of items, from apparel to home goods, and choose what best fits your brand. Use their intuitive design tool to upload your custom artwork, logos, or text onto your chosen products. Experiment with different colors and placements to make your designs truly stand out. Always take time to preview your creations to confirm they look exactly as you envision before publishing them to your store. With your products designed and settings configured, it's time to launch. Publish your items to make your store officially live and ready for customers. Start promoting your new venture by sharing your store link across all your social media channels and with your email subscribers. Consider running targeted ads to reach a wider audience and drive initial sales. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals. Consistent promotion is key to building a successful online business.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.